welcome back to my channel Auto Elite. Today I bring you something truly extraordinary, something that redefines the way we look at motorhomes, a vehicle that combines legendary off-road power with luxurious comfort and futuristic innovation, the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Motorhome. For decades, the Mitsubishi Pajero has been a symbol of rugged reliability, a name known for conquering the harshest terrains and delivering an unstoppable driving experience. And now in 2026, Mitsubishi has transformed this legend into a masterpiece of mobility, taking the robust Pajero DNA and infusing it with cutting-edge motorhome technology to create a home on wheels that is as adventurous as it is luxurious. At first glance, the design of the 2026 Pajero Motorhome captivates you with its muscular stance, aerodynamic curves, and bold presence that makes a statement on every road. The front grille carries the iconic Pajero identity, but with a futuristic twist, complemented by sharp LED headlights that pierce through the night with unmatched clarity. The body flows with smooth precision, combining ruggedness with elegance, while the elevated ride height and massive alloy wheels ensure that this machine is ready for both the city streets and the untamed wilderness. Step inside, and you are immediately embraced by an interior that feels like a luxury lounge crafted with Japanese precision. Premium leather seats with intricate stitching invite you to sink into comfort, while the spacious layout makes you forget that you are inside a motorhome. Every inch has been designed to maximize comfort and functionality, from the panoramic windows that flood the cabin with natural light to the ambient LED lighting that creates a serene mood at night. The dashboard is a masterpiece of technology, featuring a massive infotainment display with AI integration, voice commands, and real-time navigation designed for long journeys. The driver's cockpit feels futuristic, with a digital cluster that provides everything from terrain monitoring to motorhome-specific data. The living area is where the Pajero Motorhome truly shines, transforming into a mobile sanctuary on wheels. Imagine stepping into a lounge with reclining sofas, a fold-out dining table, and a smart entertainment system that rivals luxury apartments. The kitchen is equipped with state-of-the-art appliances, including a compact induction stove, a refrigerator, a microwave, and plenty of storage for long adventures. Mitsubishi has managed to merge practicality with elegance, ensuring that every journey feels like home. The sleeping quarters are no less impressive, with a queen-size bed tucked into the rear, complete with memory foam mattress and mood lighting to create the perfect resting space after a day of exploration. For larger families or groups, the motorhome offers expandable sleeping areas, ensuring no one is left behind on the adventure. Technology plays a huge role in the 2026 Pajero Motorhome, where smart systems ensure that every part of your journey is seamless. Climate control adapts to external conditions automatically, solar panels on the roof recharge the battery system, and a smart water recycling unit ensures efficiency even in remote locations. The integration of Mitsubishi's advanced safety systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, and 360-degree cameras, ensures that whether you're cruising highways or navigating mountain passes, safety is always a priority. Of course, being a Pajero at its core, this motorhome is not just about luxury, but about power and capability. Under the hood, the 2026 Pajero Motorhome offers a hybrid powertrain combining a turbocharged engine with electric motors, delivering both raw strength and eco-efficiency. With all-wheel drive, terrain response systems, and adjustable suspension, it is built to handle deserts, forests, snowy landscapes, and rocky mountains without hesitation. This is a motorhome that doesn't shy away from adventure. Instead, it embraces the challenge with confidence. What makes the 2026 Pajero Motorhome even more impressive is how Mitsubishi has infused sustainability into its design. The lightweight yet strong body materials reduce fuel consumption, while the hybrid engine ensures lower emissions, making it a green choice for modern explorers. The solar roof not only supports off-grid living but also enhances the eco-friendly nature of the motorhome, allowing you to journey farther with less impact on the environment. The storage solutions in the Pajero Motorhome are both clever and generous, with hidden compartments, modular spaces, and even an external cargo carrier for adventure gear like bicycles, kayaks, or camping equipment. It's clear that this vehicle has been designed for people who want freedom without compromise, giving you the ability to live, travel, and explore wherever your heart desires. When you take a step back and look at the 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Motorhome, it represents more than just a vehicle. It represents a lifestyle. It's about breaking free from routine, about having the courage to take the road less traveled, and about experiencing the world with comfort and confidence. Mitsubishi has taken the rugged soul of the Pajero and transformed it into a rolling home that not only meets modern demands, but anticipates the future of mobility. This motorhome is a dream for adventurers, families, digital nomads, and anyone who has ever longed for a perfect balance between freedom and luxury. It's not just about reaching your destination, it's about enjoying every moment of the journey, with every mile offering comfort, safety, and elegance. The Pajero Motorhome allows you to wake up with the sunrise on a mountain peak, cook breakfast by the sea, and sleep under the stars in the middle of nowhere, all without leaving the warmth of home. The 2026 Mitsubishi Pajero Motorhome is not just an upgrade, it's a revolution. A blend of toughness, technology, and tranquility, a creation that brings dreams of limitless travel into reality. This is more than just a motorhome, it is freedom redefined, and it is ready to take you wherever your heart dares to go. So stay tuned to Auto Elite for more extraordinary machines like this, because the future of travel has already arrived, and it looks breathtaking.